Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showcasing and explaining the FIFA 16 mod FC26 latest team in full detail. This is one of the most complete updates ever released on the channel, and I am going to walk you through every feature, every mode, the gameplay improvements, the extraction process, and finally the new offline save method. Please make sure you watch this video until the very end. I will be placing the password at the end of the video, and I will also be explaining the correct steps to extract your files so you do not experience errors, black screens, or failed installations. Now that the introduction is done, let us move into the first segment, the features. We will take a deep look at all the new changes and upgrades included in the FIFA 16 mod FC26 latest team. The first thing we are going to look at is kickoff mode, and this section has received some of the biggest improvements. The menu has been completely redesigned from the ground up. The interface now looks cleaner, more modern, and more organized, and the navigation is faster and more responsive. Kickoff mode also introduces a unique feature that many users have been asking for. You can now play Premier League match day directly from kickoff. This means that whenever there is a real life Premier League fixture happening, the match day option inside the game will update automatically, allowing you to recreate the real match on your device. Another important upgrade is AI versus AI. The AI versus AI match mode is now fully working, smooth and stable, meaning the game can simulate matches without requiring your manual control. This is perfect for testing player ratings, team strengths, tactics, and in-game physics. We move into the tournament section. The mod contains a very wide range of tournaments, and I will list as many as possible. These include the UEFA Champions League, UEFA Europa League, UEFA Conference League, Premier League, La Liga, Bundesliga, Serie A, Ligue 1, the English FA Cup, the English Community Shield, Copa del Rey, Supercopa de España, Copa Italia, DFB Pokal, Major League Soccer Cup, Copa Libertadores, Copa Sudamericana, the FIFA World Cup, the UEFA Euro Tournament, Copa America, the African Cup of Nations, and many more. One of the most impressive improvements in this update is that every tournament scoreboard has been properly assigned. This means each tournament will display its correct visual scoreboard during gameplay, and I will demonstrate all of this later in the gameplay segment. Moving on, we now have player career mode. In our first mod and second mod releases, this feature was not included, but this new version finally brings a fully functional player career mode. It includes both male and female player careers, and it supports all leagues. Your player can progress, upgrade, transfer, and complete objectives with no issues. This is a major improvement, and it gives more depth to long-term gameplay. Now let us take a look at the most talked about feature in this update. The career mod, just as I explained earlier on my WhatsApp channel, this new version comes with offline save support, but that is not all. This update introduces a brand new saving method, which you will learn later in the video. This new method is much more reliable and avoids the common issue where some users save their career but the game does not actually save it. In addition to that, we have a fun and unique feature. You can now sign me to become your club manager. When you do this, your club will receive unlimited transfer budgets, allowing you to sign any player you want without restrictions. This is a special customization that gives you total control over your club's development. The most important thing is this: career mod can now officially be saved. No more saving failures. No more save corruption issues. The saving system has been completely rebuilt. League mode is also part of this update. It works very similarly to career mode, but instead of building a long-term project, league mode allows you to challenge your league rivals using your favorite club. It is faster, simpler, and more competitive for quick matches. Rival mode existed in the previous theme, but in this version, the rivalries have been updated. For example, Paris Saint-Germain versus Paris Football Club has now been added, along with several new rivalries across Europe and other leagues. Challenge mode allows you to face some of the toughest teams in the world. You can challenge elite teams, legendary 11s, and high-rated squads to test your skill. Best team mode is similar to challenge mode. You select your favorite club, and then you play against the strongest team lineup created inside the mod. Both modes offer high-intensity gameplay. This concludes the features segment. Now let us move to the gameplay showcase. The gameplay section of this new FIFA 16 mod FC26 is filled with visual changes and animation upgrades. The first thing to notice is that the full match reveal animation has returned. This animation was removed in some previous versions, but it is back in this update and it looks better than ever. It is a unique animation sequence that plays before the match begins, giving the game a more modern presentation. Before the kickoff, each club now has its own club animation. This includes badges, colors, team presentation, and entry motions. I will show you several club animations. You can see the amount of detail that has been added. Once the match starts, you will notice even more improvements. There are new player nib animations, updated goal animations, improved lineup templates, and several visual and refinements that make the game smoother. Another major addition is the pause animation. When you pause your game, a new animation appears on the screen. This is something that has never been done before in a FIFA 16 mod, and it is exclusive to this version. Now that we have covered the gameplay, let us move into the extraction process. Please follow this part very carefully. Step 1, go to my website, scroll up and click on download. This will take you directly to MediaFire. Download the file. Step 2, do not add the file to your game immediately. You must follow these instructions. Open your old asset folder. Delete everything inside the folder except one file. The file you must not delete is named common. Leave the common file untouched. Now go to your previous UX folder. Inside the UX folder, delete everything. Remove every single file from that folder. Step 4, now return to the file you downloaded. Click the file and long press to copy it. Follow the steps you see on the screen as you paste the files into the correct locations. If you cannot access your Android or data folder because you are getting an access denied message, or if your Shizuku service is slow, go and watch the video I uploaded earlier which explains how to access the folder without lag, without errors, and without permission problems. You can also extract manually for faster speed. To do that, copy the asset folder and paste it directly inside the asset directory. Then copy the UX folder and paste it directly inside the UX directory. Step 6, if you launch the game and the screen is black, do not panic. Go to your game folder, locate the file I am pointing to on the screen, delete it, and the game will work normally. Now that the extraction process is complete, let us move into the offline save setup. Many people have messaged me saying that after saving their career, the game shows save success, but when they load the game next time, the save does not appear. The solution is simple. After saving your career, open Archiver. Go to your download folder, search for the offline save file. Once it appears, click it, long press it and copy it. Now paste the file into the folder I am showing on the screen. After doing this, your career mode will save correctly and load correctly. When you return to the game, do not click Start New Career. Click Load Career. Android 11 and above, watch the installation video I have linked previously. For Android 10 and below, it is much easier. You only need to paste the file in the correct directory. But if you still need help, go to the setup video and skip to the Android 10 section. The offline save APK file will be in the description of the video. This brings us to the end of the full showcase of the FIFA 16 Mod FC26 latest theme. I hope this walkthrough helped you understand all the new features, how to extract the files correctly, how to solve errors, and how to set up the new offline save method. If you found this content useful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who may need assistance. Thank you for watching and enjoy the game.